Hey guys, I'm using Final Cut Pro and I will show you how you can add subtitle on your video in Final Cut Pro like that, okay? As I showed you before. So without wasting time, this is my voiceover. I need to stream it a little bit, and that's okay. That's looking good. Now the next thing we are gonna do, okay? I'm gonna tap on my voiceover, okay, first. Then I'm gonna go here, okay? Then tap here, then subtitle. Okay, then it will take some time, okay, to load, loading all of it. So once that happens, okay, you will get all the subtitle, okay, but the subtitle will not be totally correct, okay. You have to just somewhere may it not be right. You just have to go and change that, okay. So there you can see there's I can see, you couldn't hear the voiceover right now because I don't want you guys to hear the voiceover right now. So yeah, so I just have to go back and make some editing on it, okay. There's lots of wrong words that I didn't say on my voiceover, so I have to edit all those words, okay. So yeah, I'm just working on it, and there's the stuff, and I'm gonna work on all of that, okay. And once I'm done with all of that, okay, I will show you how to add that. I got a subtitle, okay, but it's not like that. It's not looking like that. The subtitle I'll just show you the first place, okay. So I will make that, okay. You just have to be patient, okay. It's until the end. I will show you all of it. Just call it down. I'm working on all of it, and when I'm working, man. I'm just working. I have to look for where I need to work, and I have to fix the word, okay. And right now everything's looking good. Okay, now I'm gonna go here, okay. I'm gonna tap here. Okay, hold on, give me some. Are we done? Oh no, I need to fix it. What? Okay, we got option for here. We're gonna change all of it, okay. I will show you, okay. You just need to be patient, okay. Now, once I'm done doing all these changes, okay, make it right, then I will go and show you how to do it. You just need to be patient, okay. Just let me finish my work here first. And are we all done here? I still need work. I need to change. I didn't even say these words. I say something and they just write down something else. And how come? Well, that's AI for you. So yeah. Okay, once I'm done with all of this work, but there's still lots to work on it and to fix all that. Okay, so I'm gonna come here and make a cut. And once I'm done, yeah, I only want this much, okay. I don't want the entire voiceover, okay. I want this small part of the voiceover, and I'm all done. Now I'm gonna select all the voiceover, subtitle, okay. Once I'm done, I'm gonna tap here, and yeah, I'm gonna tap here, and I'm gonna tap highlight. And once I tap there, you will see your words, see, in the color, each word you say as you goes, and that's how I made that, okay. And it's looking just like that as I showed you before, okay. A subtitle is more important for your video than you realize, okay. So that's good. And what else you want, okay. So now it's all looking good, but it's still something I need to work on, okay. If you want, you can change your subtitle, the purple color to any color you want, okay. You will go there, there's all the options you need, okay. So now it's all good, okay. But hey, so yeah, this is how I work on it, okay. Let's see. This is one of my own video clip, okay. So let's see how much I want of the video clip, okay. Alright, I'm gonna make a cut right here, okay. And there we go. I just make a cut, and I'm gonna delete this other part here, and there we go.